does that say? It's from Santa
can
Claus.
read.
It says be good. And then it says thanks, Santa. Merry Christmas. Let's keep that, I think. And see if you get another one next year, and another one next year. And you can keep them with all of the Chinese fortunes. You can put them in your box. Keep them.
Look, he ate almost all the cookies and drank all the milk.
Put that on the counter.
Chloe, you still got paper?
He almost ate all those cookies, didn't he?
Right on.
Good job. Good job. Wow.
Now are you happy? You get what you wanted?
You're such a good girl. Well, you got lots of stuff to play with now, don't you? Where do you start? What?
The planet.